Hi everyone, I'm Karen. Welcome back. Today let's make another amber pendant necklace. I don't know if you have seen such a rope and do you know how to use it? This kind of rope is specially made for the charms or pendants with small holes and is 100% handmade. For pendants like this, the hole is really small, about 1 mm or 1.2 mm, and generally we use a braided cord to go through this hole and then thread the beads from here to make a beaded necklace. But with such a rope, we can thread the pendant into a larger rope necklace like this, or thread it in a bracelet, like a bracelet charm or pendant. I'm going to use this brown rope. The black one is like this. It's different, okay? Because this necklace is brown, it will look pretty